I'm talking about the greatest combination in the history of the world, not the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I love a good PB&J. I'm talking about the whale shark. It's a whale, it's a shark, it's a whale shark. It's inspired Citizen's newest watch. And I've got my diving sweater, I've got my Steve Zissou hat. We're gonna talk whale sharks. The watch, of course. Hello everyone, I'm Bradley Hasemeyer. Welcome to the Watch Out. Today is a very special day because I have the opportunity to introduce you to a gorgeous pro-level timepiece that I know you're going to want to add to your collection. I'm talking about the limited edition Citizen Promaster Dive Super Titanium, aka Whale Shark. There are only 5,000 in the entire world, and I have one right here. Feeling pretty lucky. This is not only a throwback to the Citizen Professional Diver of 1982, which by the way had a dive rating of 1,300 meters. That's super deep. That's like philosopher deep. But it is a salute to that majestic endangered sea creature, the whale shark. So today I'm going to unbox, I'm going to talk specs, I'm going to talk about why I love this watch so much. So enough talking. Let's unbox. Now, you already know, opening Citizen watches, especially the limited edition ones, have their own level of grandeur, and that's here as well. I love this blue box. What's in this box? Another box. All right, so here we go. Get this box, gonna slide that out. Look at this, just even nice presentation on this. It's so good. Dun, 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 dun. We open that up, and look at that. I gotta show you this beautiful whale shark in the back here. I love this deep blue box. It's sort of kind of velvet or brushed cotton. The blue is really striking. It coordinates with the dial, echoing that deep blue ocean water where the whale shark lives. There's also this really cool whale shark picture on the inside. I mean, feels like a jewelry box, right? Like the way it's put together. The box itself is made from sustainable materials in partnership with the Forest Stewardship Council. And not only does this watch salute the beautiful whale shark, but a portion of the sales revenue from the watch will go to support Conservation International to help protect the ocean. So you gotta love that holistic approach to this beautiful watch. And you may have noticed back here, you're like, oh, there's a little cubby. What is that? That is a watch extender, a strap extender. So if you're wearing dive gloves, this ends up connecting to the strap here, and it extends it so it can go around something further, something thicker than it just normally would with this strap that it came with. So that's nice that they've included that as well. Such a cool style, these retro vibes, but modern materials and construction. This is really a different diver than probably you have in your collection. So anyway, all right, let's get into some specs. This is the BN0225-04L, has a 3-hand dial and date, features a 47mm super titanium case, has luminous hands and markers, a screw-down crown, is ISO certified to 200 meters, and has an anti-magnetic / anti-shock movement. The feel of this 47mm diver is substantial. It's like, whoa. It's not because it's heavy, no, because it's made out of that super titanium, which we'll talk about in a second, but it's just the shape of it. It's the most professional looking dive watch I've ever held. And you know, it literally looks like something that should be in the toolbox of a diver, right? That's partly what sets this apart from so many of the other dive watches out there. This isn't just like an enthusiast piece, this is truly a tool. And at 47mm, it is big, but it doesn't feel big. And mostly that's because that's super titanium, which we'll talk about in just a second. But I have a 7.5-inch wrist, and it actually doesn't feel big at all. It doesn't even look big, I think, because of the way that it's designed. It has a lugless case. It's got this really nice sandblasted kind of like matte treatment. You've got the indented bezel with these kind of notches on the top here. You've got these 4 large guards. I mean, it really is, like I keep saying it, but it's unlike any other watch that I have. And of course, it's limited edition, and it takes its design cues from, you guessed it, the whale shark. That's right. You can see the white spot pattern like you have on the majestic, beautiful creature itself. You got the deep blue color because that's where whale sharks live, in the deep, deep blue. By the way, talk about detail. This is also super titanium. Okay, not just the case here, but even the pin and buckle. On the back, you've got this beautiful whale shark. And it says Duratec coating, which we'll talk about because that's part of what makes this super titanium coating strong. So thanks to Citizen's ingenuity, it is very durable, it is very strong, but it's also tough. It's Promaster tough. That's Citizen's line of very durable pro-level watches. Clearly this is pro-level, but they said, hey, we're gonna add more into this. We're gonna add Eco Drive. That's Citizen's very famous technology, which essentially powers the watch using light, any light. The sun at the beach, the light in your house, the glow of your computer screen as you watch this review. All of that goes into the watch to power it, and I love it. So you never need to change a battery. That means you're not filling up landfills with corrosive batteries. You're not worrying if your watch is gonna work. Is it not gonna work? No. Has it been exposed to light? Yes. And it has a power reserve of 180 days. So even then, you know you're gonna be set. All right, now I told you we would get into the nitty gritty about super titanium, so let's go. Now Citizen is a revolutionary watch company for a number of reasons, but one of the first is that they were the first to use titanium in a watch. But they realized, yes, titanium is extremely strong, but other watchmakers shied away from it. They were like, nah, because it scratches easily. Citizen fixed this by making a proprietary, that means they're the only ones who did it, technology called Duratect, which is essentially a coating that goes over all the super titanium. So it retains the strength, but also gets an extra boost, that superhuman, super titanium boost of being scratch resistant too. So it's strong, it's light, and it's durable. All right guys, so what are you thinking, huh? You're gonna pick up this super titanium dive watch as a gift for yourself? For that dive enthusiast in your life? I really love that it stands out. It stands apart from all those other divers out there. It has a vintage design and inspiration, but it's Promaster tough and it's Eco Drive convenient. It's really a sharp timepiece. So let us know what you think in the comments below. And of course, make sure you're following Citizen Watch US on social for up-to-the-minute watch drops and daily wrist inspiration. If you have any questions about this watch or you just want to learn a little bit more, make sure you head to the website. They've also put together some really cool movies and interviews all about saving that beautiful endangered whale shark. So check the link in the description for that. Okay, I live in Atlanta and there's an actual whale shark downtown at the aquarium. So I'm gonna head there and show them him. All right, have a great day and remember, enjoy your time. Oh, better take my sandwich.